What's for dinner number 16? I know how much you guys really enjoy these, so I decided I would put one together for you guys and share some meals that we've been having. So the first one is corn on the cob, which I cut off with butter and salt, and buffalo ranch chicken and boiled potatoes with butter. This was so yummy, and I also want to throw this out there. I do have recipes for most of these videos I'm sharing, and this is a chicken quesadilla, a Copycat Taco Bell recipe. Absolutely delicious and incredibly easy to make. Homemade chili, same thing, delicious, so easy to make. In the cards, they'll be an In the Kitchen playlist where you can find all of these recipes. I believe I have over 90 recipes, and this is a Copycat KFC chicken bowl. So good. This is a new one for us. This is a homemade Meatball Sub. It's like a Copycat Subway recipe, so let me know if you want to see a video on that. I haven't done that yet. This is just homemade potato salad, some fries, some ketchup, and a cheeseburger. I think this is around 4th of July. And one night we had a breakfast, so it was eggs, sausage, and gravy and biscuits. Gravy and biscuits, so good any time of the day. This is a minute steak with shells and cheese and just some mashed potatoes on the side. This is tuna pasta, the creamy broccoli one with steamed broccoli on the side. This also is a quick thrown together meal, but so good. Mississippi roast, homemade mashed potatoes, and peas. So yummy. Once again, I have a recipe on that Mississippi roast. This is just some shake and bake chicken, some Jiffy mixed cornbread, and the shells and cheese. Yummy. Shells, those are leftover shells, I believe. Chicken in the crock pot, and green beans and whole potatoes. Tacos and Copycat's refried beans like Taco Bell. And this was so good. And this is just some packet potatoes, some gravy I whipped up, a seasoned pork chop, and some mixed veggies. And the last and final meal I want to share with you guys, because it's fun, is the Stranger Things pepperoni pizza, the Surfer Boy pizza. I found this at Walmart for like, I don't know, $7. It was totally worth it. The thing is loaded with pepperonis. It comes in a fun box. Stranger Things is so hot right now. We loved Stranger Things. It was such a fun watch. I've loved Stranger Things since the beginning. But look at the loaded pepperoni on this dang thing. So much. You couldn't even see the cheese hardly for it. And it actually was really yummy, really saucy. But overall, I would definitely purchase this again. It was a fun, like, little quick pizza and movie night for us. In general, if you love Stranger Things, it's pretty awesome. And yeah, that is what's for dinner number 16. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and if you'd like to see a Meatball Sub video, just let me know in the comment section below, and I will start filming that soon. Thank you guys so very much for watching.